Good morning. Let's talk about the Estatik Real Estate plugin. But first, let's have some coffee. Okay, let's get started. As we do with everything in WordPress, we have to install the plugin. So type Estatik for Estatik. And we're going to talk about Estatik Real Estate plugin. I've already installed this plugin, so let's go to the dashboard. And we have a nice page here that will list out almost everything we need to do with this particular plugin. My listings, add a new listing, the data manager, and we'll get into all these here in just a few minutes. Let's spend a little time on this page. One really nice feature is there's a quick links to the support areas. For instance, step-by-step guide. This is a really nice feature where it walks you through everything that you need to know about this plugin. I'll let you explore that. Let's go and show FAQs. I almost said shoe. And again, there is quite a few questions that have already been answered and listed here for your viewing pleasure. So find the answers that you need. That's really nice. The support area, you have to register and log in. I'm not going to do that right now, just for the sake of time. Another really nice feature is that all the short codes that we need are listed right here on this dashboard page. We don't have to go to another source to find those. And we have Estatik provides various themes. These are mostly paid for themes. There is one that is listed as $0, and I don't know about you, but I can afford that. Let's move on, and we have upgrade options depending on what you want to do. Okay, let's go to My Listings. And when you install this plugin, it gives you several samples that you can learn how to work with this plugin with. Let's go and choose Edit, which is the pencil icon, so we can see the structure. And it's what we see on a page or a post. Well, there's some additional fields, but it's WordPress type. It's not a separate application look and feel. Don't want to give you motion sickness here. But I'm going to speed this up just a minute, just to forewarn you. Our basic information. Set up the address, add some videos and images. For now, let's go back to the dashboard. And I'll cover this in a minute. Let's go to data manager. I added this vacation rental, and we'll leave the rest the way it is. Features, let's add a game room, as well as, how about a bowling alley? There are actually houses that have bowling alleys in them. And let's see, a home theater. Okay, let's go on. Labels, currencies, dimensions, and addresses. Pretty basic stuff, very intuitively laid out. Let's go to dashboard again, and this time let's go into Fields Builder. Now from Fields Builder, we can set up different sections on the page, the listing page, as well as different fields under that section. Let me show you how to do that. First, I'm going to add a section, and I'm going to call it Fun Things to Do. Add all users, and let's create it. Okay, there we go. Let's go to listing fields. Now under this listing fun things to do category or section, I'm going to add a video of the fun thing to do. And this is going to be a paragliding on the beach. You know what? Let's capitalize that. I don't know why I erased all that, but I did. And let's go here and choose, it is a URL, and we're going to place it under fun things to do. And yeah, the admin needs to see it under that same category. And create. Okay, before we go on any further, I'm going to go to the media library. This is a nice feature that all your media can be kept in the WordPress media library. And choose my video, copy that URL, and let's go back to Estatik. And we were in Fields Builder. Can't actually add the URL here. We need to go to the listings itself to add that field. So let's go to My Listings. Let's choose this first one. And let's scroll all the way down here to the bottom and choose Fun Things to Do. And there's our section. It automatically shows up. Let's give it the name. Let's just keep it simple. Not try to be, I don't know what you call it. Not try to be creative. Because this. Let's go to preview changes. Here is our listings page. We forgot to add the tab. We'll add that here in just a minute. And we can choose our video. That would be a lot of fun. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try that sometime. Okay, let's get out of this and let's go back and let's add our tab. And that would be back here in Fields Builder. And let's scroll down and choose Edit Paragliding on the Beach. Is it in Listing Sessions? Here it is. Forgot to choose that. Gotta pay attention. And hit create one more time. Oh, you have to choose the right category, or right section, and then update. See what happens. You don't have enough copy. And let's go here and let's refresh. There's our new tab. Just a quick way to get to our sections here. That seems pretty cheap. All right. Okay. Let's talk about the paid versions, the upgrade options down at the bottom. But first, okay, let's scroll to the bottom here and let's check out what the Pro Pack gives us and how much it's going to cost. $89. Looks like we get a lot of that, and video, get to customize the labels. Not sure, are we adding anything extra here? But let's move on. Wish list, that's different, and save searches. Okay, customized email alerts, front-end management subscriptions, multilingual, that's important, and we get advanced search and a whole lot more. And let's see, okay, let's go back And let's go into Premium Pack. With the Premium Pack, you get to add MLS listings, real MLS listings. And it's quite a bit more. It's it's $400 more, $489. Pull in real MLS data, okay? More control over the fields builder. We get filters. And stay up to date. I'll let you read through that. And we can manage all their listing agents. It's a nice feature to have. And let's move on. And we get everything that we get in the Pro Pack plus MLS for $489. Okay, let's go look into the developer. If you're like me, I like to develop a lot of features too. So if you're a developer, this might be something that you would be interested in. Let's look and see what we get here for $129. Up-to-date coding, a lot of things you would expect. And okay, that sounds good. So yes, the Estatik WordPress property listing plugin. I think it's worth a look. If you're in the real estate business, I think this is a plugin that you might be interested in.